Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, as well as having four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them on either side. 12-volt power outlet, and then on this side you have the power button for your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor you have your full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial leather and cloth interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 110-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C. The backs of the seats have zippered pouches, as well as molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, comm screen, fuel economy, and then you can also go into further information, settings, controls. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, adaptive steering, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, as well as having your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. You have this little tray area, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Then you have this little tray area underneath with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and a wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there to charge. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you've got your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.